to previous part. Suppose the entire system of previous question is kept inside an elevator which is going down with acceleration a less than g. Repeat the part A and B. So in this question, what is the thing? You can see from the last problem. If you see with the last problem, then what is happening that the whole system is kept in an elevator. If the whole system is kept in an elevator, it means we have to apply a pseudo force, and that pseudo force will be in vertical direction. Since the whole system is going down, see, it is going down, elevator is coming down with acceleration. Okay, so elevator in which the system is kept, suppose this is the elevator is going down with acceleration a, and inside it the system is kept like this. Okay, so in this case, what will be the horizontal force applied? In first part, what will be answer of first part and second part? So see, we modify the value of G itself, the G effective. We will directly write how much will be G effective. G effective will be, normally it is G, but there is an acceleration downward direction. So we will take G minus of minus A. See, acceleration is in downward direction. Okay. Sorry, not minus of minus A. G, it will be simply minus. Why minus 2? Minus. See, G is in downward direction, acceleration is also in the downward direction. So since the pseudo acceleration, or not pseudo acceleration, pseudo force corresponding to pseudo force, we can modify the value of G. So that G is written as what? G effective is written as G minus G. And so directly we can write the F as 2 mu m G effective. That will be 2 mu m G minus A, and second part, this is part A, and second part, the acceleration will be 2 mu m G effective divided by m plus m, or we can write 2 mu m G minus A divided by m plus m. Okay, so this way we can solve. So what is the main thing we should notice here? G effective we have to find. And how we have found the G effective? The apparent force, the apparent gravity force inside the lift is decreased by how much? By A. Okay, G minus A we have to write. So why it is decreased by this value? Because the whole elevator is coming down with this acceleration. That's why. Okay, so since it is coming down, we have to subtract it with the G.